Welcome to Crypto Vulture Trading. So we are going to see today what about the Bitcoin, other altcoins, how they are going to perform the next week, what can be the probabilities and what are my scenarios. So before that, I am asking everybody to subscribe my channel and enable the bell notification. In the description, we given all our social media links where we are going to get a decent updates on time. So if you can't miss on each update, try to follow at least our Telegram community channel, which has been given in the description. So, and if you like our content, if you want to help us, you can use our crypto referral links, which will be helpful for us. And you also, by using that, you will get a discounts while you are trading. So let's jump into the crypto analysis. In the initial, we need to see the Bitcoin analysis. So as already given this idea in my Telegram community and other social media links. So the simple thing here we need to understand. Basically, Bitcoin in a higher time frame, it is forming the higher high, previous higher high, then it formed a higher low, then one more higher low. Now again here also one higher low has been rejected. But in short time frame, if you observe that this lower low, then again it formed here as a lower high, and one more lower high is taking place. So this is a small bullish structure. So if this structure has to continue toward the upper end, we need to understand that it has to cross these two resistance. If they are not crossing these two resistance price area, the Bitcoin can't go continuously upwards. There may be a chance of the pullback, and there is a chance of forming double top. That can be here potential for RSI will come here, then again it will fall. So there is the this kind of scenario. In case if it is rejected here, then the liquidity pullback around $96,000 will be the chance to sweep. So already here liquidity swept has been taken place. Maybe who are shorting, they are going to, their stop loss are going to unhear, or else it can go upward. So these are the three scenarios what I am expecting based on the objective way. So here you need to understand. You can go a small pullback, retest of the resistant longs, or you can wait for the confirmation and you can go for the short trades. And the next thing here we need to understand is USDT dominance. So if you see that USDT dominance, we need to understand that USDT dominance right now it is also making the lower low from next is lower high. Sorry, lower high, then one more lower high. So it is also a bullish structure. But here what we need to understand, in more higher time frame, it is forming the all higher lows. So these higher lows. So right now there is a chance of retest here. So from the support area, if it start bouncing, the double top pattern what we expected in the Bitcoin, that can be happen. If it loses there in Bitcoin, definitely it is going to break the resistance. So this is just a probabilities where we can understand. So whenever USDT is behaving, the Bitcoin is or other altcoins are going to vice versa. And then we need to understand about the Bitcoin dominance. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance in weekly time frame? You can observe that every day it is going higher. But in a 4 hour time frame, if you observe that it has been continuously moving towards the high. So it needs some pullback. So that pullbacks can be around here. Then there will be a chance of one more pullback. And then Bitcoin dominance will fall down little bit of time. So while it is falling down, it's give the boost for the altcoins. So altcoins will start rallying. So here Bitcoin will start rallying little bit, but altcoins are going to rally aggressively. At the same time, if you see the Ethereum versus BTC, here also you can see it has been rejected. Two times it did the resistance. But if you observe here, it is a higher high if you compare with this. And then this is a lower low. But this is a lower high. So which is a bullish structure. But again the structure has been broken here. But now if you see here, it is a lower low. Then it is an higher low, which is a bullish structure. So there is a chance one more time it is going to retest this resistance. So before retesting, if it started retesting here, Ethereum is also will start moving upwards. So Ethereum will start moving upwards. Here, what we need to understand, it is going to retest here 2680 area. So 2680 area will be the resistance. So once if it started rejected here, same like BTC, it will fall down. Or else if it break the retail resistance area, it will go higher. So in this objective way, we can understand. Then what about the altcoins? All total market three now waiting for a breakout. So if it is forming a double top here, it may fall down or else it will start rallying. So once total market one depends on the total BTC, total market two along with the ETH. Once they both rally and the Bitcoin dominance will be retesting for a small time, there will be a small little pullback here. So that pullback may be here you can see all higher lows giving the structure to break upwards. So if that happen in that case, here we can expect that will be a huge rally in the altcoin. So the next week, these were my ideas you can follow and you can understand that how the markets are going to behave. So friends, and one more you need to understand is America's tariff news is coming around June 9th. So how the from Monday Trump is going to behave, we don't know. Based on that, all our probabilities and costs will may be lots of change. So friends, if you like this kind of content, try to follow our videos and subscribe my channel and give your recommendations in the comment section if anything is needed. So stay tuned with Crypto Vulture. Have a nice day. Signing off.